Hello everybody, how are you? I am Normalize and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answer. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing questions. So let's get on the questions. So our today question is what is the primary functions of dynamic study modulus axis at our students are already known and where he or she may want to focus additionally study. Normalize students learning to the teachers knows what to focus on the lectures, gives students real life applications of the concept they are currently learning in class, allows students to collaborate with each others on assignments in mastering. So the correct answer of the question is the primary functions of the dynamic study in modulus to option A axis what our students are already known and where he or she may want to focus and additionally strategies. Those are the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtheta.com and find on the search section. If you have any question to ask, there are now sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question. Bye bye.